Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a great apple pie. First, let's master the crust. For a truly flaky pie, always use very cold butter, cut into small pieces. Combine your flour and a pinch of salt, then work in the butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, just enough to bring the dough together. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. This prevents shrinking and ensures a tender crust. Next, the heart of your pie, the apple filling. The secret to a complex flavor is using a blend of apples. Think Granny Smith for tartness and Honeycrisp for sweetness. Peel, core, and slice your apples to a consistent 1/4 inch thickness for even cooking. Gently toss them with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of lemon juice. Don't forget a thickener like 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch to prevent a watery filling. Now let's assemble your masterpiece. Carefully place your rolled-out bottom crust into a 9-inch pie plate, gently pressing it in without stretching. Pile your prepared apple filling high in the center. For the top, you can create a beautiful lattice or simply place a full second crust, cutting vents for steam. Crimp the edges to seal. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking until golden brown. The final crucial step for a perfect apple pie is patience. Allow your pie to cool for at least 2 to 3 hours on a wire rack. This lets the filling set properly, preventing a runny slice. When ready, serve it warm with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream. It's the ultimate comfort dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.